Hey guys, MotorCarNut here, and today we're working on a Toyota RAV4 2008 to 2012. This is the 2.5 liter engine. How to remove the air cleaner box, or if you want to replace the air filter, that's even more simple, but this is how to remove the air cleaner assembly. We're doing a head gasket on this, but this video is just on that, so you want to stick around. There's going to be a series of videos on how to do the head gasket on this engine. It's a 2 ARFE engine. All right, it's found in a lot of different models. Anyway, first thing you want to do, battery's out of the way, but if you just wanted to remove the air filter, very simple. There's just two clips here and here, and you lift this up and take the element out. All right, and so that's very simple to do. Okay, and there it is, and you could just reverse that and just put the two clips back, and you're done. Very simple. All right, to remove the air cleaner totally is just pop this rubber cover off. Okay, there's little grommets here. See them? All right, there, and there. Just pop it off. Put that to the side. There's going to be a hose here. All right, you just squeeze these two things, move it out, get a screwdriver and pry it out over there. All right, now in the back here, what I like to do is take it off from here. You see right here, this is where it goes, right here. All right, you just take this clip off and push it out of the way. Take it out of the way. Then we come over electrical connectors. They're gonna be in here like that. Just get a needle nose pliers underneath here and just pop them out, or just get something that looks like this. All right, and you put it underneath and you pry it out. There. And here. All right. I think I lost power for a second. Anyway, now you have over here is another hose. Just take this off. To take that out of the way, this electrical connector. You take that one out. This electrical connector, you take this one out. Okay? And you just move that off to the side. Now, what else we got to do here? We took the hoses 1, 2, and 3, and that's basically it. And what you do, if you didn't already do it, you take the clips here and here, right here, off, and this thing comes right out like this. Put this on the bench, and you can see you just had this hose. All right, those connectors. And then to take this part out, so you have your electrical connector here. There's 3 10 millimeters, 1, 2, and 3. You take those, and it just slips right out of there. And now you got your air cleaner out, and whatever other work you want to do or why you took it out, now you can do it. All right, and that's simple. Then you just reverse the procedure I just showed you to put it back. It's no big deal. Just this harness right there. This one right there. All right. One goes right here. And don't forget the one on the back. That goes right here. All right, guys. That's it. MotorCarNut, please subscribe, hit the like button. Any questions pertaining to the video, leave them below. I try to answer every single question, get you guys back on the road. I appreciate all the feedback, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.